About 47%, or 116 million people, live with hypertension in the USA. High blood pressure can increase a person's chance of developing heart disease later in life. Heart disease, in many cases, is fatal, which is why it is very important that those with hypertension can control it and those without it can stay away from it. Throughout the course of this video, you will be introduced to 5 ways to overcome your high blood pressure. Obese people tend to have 3 times as much hypertension as those people who are at a normal weight. A study showed that obese people with high blood pressure have the ability to achieve normal blood pressure by only losing half of their extra weight, even if that means they'll remain obese. If you have difficulty losing weight though, try losing just a little bit, doctors say, because whatever you lose is guaranteed to help. There is a definite link between high blood pressure and salt. This is why many doctors advise patients with high blood pressure to try a low-sodium diet. This means only consuming 5 grams of salt daily, which is only half the salt in the typical American diet. Studies are showing that people who follow a vegetarian lifestyle have lower blood pressure than the general population for both systolic and diastolic pressures. This might be because people who are vegetarian tend to not oversmoke, drink, or eat, which all have a huge effect on your blood pressure. A study showed that when a person was happy, their systolic pressure fell, but when they were anxious, their diastolic pressure rose. It was also found that the changes were directly related to emotional intensity. The happier the person, the more it dropped. The more anxious the person, the more it rose. This means that your blood pressure will be lower if you are happier in your life or experience less anxiety. Believe it or not, having a pet can actually make your blood pressure drop. In a study of different activities, it was found that when participants interacted with a dog or read to themselves, it resulted in a blood pressure decline compared to the other activity, which resulted in a rise. Pets can help reduce anxiety and stress, making you an overall happier person. Before you go see the next video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. And on your way, try out these tips, maybe they'll help.